Hello and welcome to the Absen booth. We're in North Hall 1618, and what you're currently looking at is the new Acclaim product for fixed installation. The fixed installation product is a separate group from our rental and staging product, and the Acclaim series, as you're looking behind me, as you can see, we have the 2.5 and the 1.5 versions up on the wall, but we range from 1.5 all the way up to 3.8. The product that you're currently looking at has incredible high resolution to it, high contrast ratio, and as you're looking at the colors, you'll never see color depth any better than this. In the Absen booth, we currently have all of our products, as you see, filtered around. Again, a fixed install product is specifically designed for house of worship. It's our corporate boardroom, our Fortune 500 product, and we will have other products, well, as you're going around the booth, Anyway, please come visit our website at usabsen.com, usabsen.com.